Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. Let's begin today's 7-minute core workout on all fours on our hands and our knees. Already here, just thinking of the connection between our belly button and our spine, and let's get ready to go to a high plank. So tuck your toes under and lift your knees off the floor into a plank. Keeping that core connection, let's just hold it for a moment here. And then on the next exhale, we're going to tap our right toes to the outside of our mat and then tap our left toes. So let's tap them out and in and again out and in. Let's go for 8. And we have 7. Let's go for 6 and 5, keeping that core connection. 4. We have 3 and 2. Last one here. Hold that plank, connect your core, belly button to spine, slightly lift the chin to complete the line from the top of your head to your feet, and let's tap the other direction for 10 and 9 and 8 and 7. We have 6. Let's go for 5. Almost there. 4 and 3, slowing down a little bit, and 2. I know it's challenging. Last one. Beautiful. That was a good little warm up. Roll out your wrists as you sit back just to relieve the tension if you have any in your wrists. And let's get ready to sit on our sit bones. Legs and feet planted in front of us. Bend your knees. Take your hands behind your legs for support if you need as you contract through your spine, going down to the floor vertebrae by vertebrae, chin to chest. When you finally get to the floor, inhale, lengthen your arms above your head. Exhale, we roll up using your hands on the back of your legs to gently pull yourself up. Inhale, lift the arms up, and we repeat, contracting through the lower belly, vertebrae by vertebrae, going down to the floor. Inhale, lifting the arms. Exhale, contracting once again, chin to our chest, walking our way up, using our hands to help us if we need. For an extra challenge here, try not to use your hands as you roll down and roll up. Let's do a few more in your own time. If this is too challenging, once again, you can use your hands on the back of your legs to help you. Or if you're up for a challenge, don't use your hands to help. If you're up for a really challenging aspect of this exercise, extend your legs in front of you, keeping the backs of your knees and calves and hamstrings on the floor as you roll up, really using your core to roll up and roll down. Beautiful. Find a V hold as you sit your shoulders halfway back, touch your toes to the floor, arms in a first position, twist your upper body to the right, back to center, and twist your upper body to the left and center. Once again, to the right and center, left and center. Again, if you're up for a challenge, lift your legs off the floor so your shins are hovering parallel to the ground. Keep twisting your upper body as you're balancing on your seat. This is much more challenging than it looks. I was shaking quite a bit by the end, and if you need a rest, go ahead and just tap out if you need to. All right, guys, this next one is truly so challenging. Take your right foot crossed on top of your left arm up above your head and twist your upper body towards the right side. So we're really working on our obliques here, on our balance. This is a great exercise that I used to do in ballet school when we were training for pas de deux, for particularly shoulder sits. And let's switch sides. Left ankle crossed on top, right hand on top, and twist. Keep going. And let's switch sides again. Can we do 8 on the first side? You can do it. Switch, and let's go to the second side. 8 to finish out. Beautiful. Relax and go all the way onto your back for the next exercise. And we're going to bring our right knee towards our chest. Bring the right knee in, extend the left leg down, and take your hands behind your head. On the next exhale, bring your nose towards your knee. And on the next inhale, flex your right foot away to hover off the floor and lower your head. Again, exhale, nose to knee. Inhale, flex away. Let's go again. Exhale, flex nose to knee. Inhale, flex away. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, away. 2 more. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, lengthen. Last one. Exhale, bring the nose to the knee. Inhale, lengthen. Beautiful. Bring the nose towards the knee once again. And we do some bicycles. So extend the right leg up and switch legs. Lift the left knee, extend up, bring the right knee in, extend up, switching legs. Do a few more. Let's do the second side. Lower the right foot on the floor, nose to knee. Exhale, bring the left knee towards your nose. Inhale, flex it away to lengthen. Again for 7. Exhale, nose to knee. Inhale, lengthen. Let's go for 6. Exhale, nose to knee. Inhale, lengthen. We do 5. And 4. Let's go for 3. Almost there. And 2. And last 1. And now extend the legs, bicycles in your own time. A little bit quicker, turning your upper body right and left and right and left. Can we reverse the bicycles? So go backwards. I know this is so challenging on your core. Guys, I was so tired here. You can do it. And relax. Hug your knees in, flex and point your feet, turn your head side to side to relieve any tension you might have in your neck. And then place your hands underneath your seat, extend your legs to the sky, and we're going to lower our legs to a hover off the ground, keeping your back flat. Open the legs sideways as wide as you can, and bring them back in and lift them up. Let's do that again. Lower the legs, open, bring them back in and up. Option to lift your head and your neck here for an extra challenge on that core. On this last one, turn out the legs and do little battus, little beats, cross, 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 cross the inner thighs. Option to take your hands from underneath you and extend them in front of you. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Gather your knees in towards your body and turn your head right and left just to release any tension from your neck. Let's make our way to our hands and our knees just to stretch out our core here. So let your belly fall to the floor, look up into a cow. Exhale into a cat. Belly button moves towards your spine and you arch your back like a cat. Again, inhale, let's look up into a cow just to relax those muscles and stretch them. And exhale into a cat. Beautiful. Find your way to your high plank again like we began, and we're going to be doing 8 slow mountain climbers. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we speed it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And keep going. You've got this. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Relax. Tuck your toes under. Lift your hips up into a downward facing jog. Pedal out your feet. Do what feels good. And then make your way to the floor all the way down in your belly. And let's press up into a cobra to stretch out our core muscles. And guys, we are done. I know this is more like 8 minutes versus 7 minutes, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now, and let me know what you want to see next.